Are you a student looking to make extra dollars in 2025? Whether you need cash for tuition, travel, or just fun, I've got 7 side hustles that can help you earn real dollars while studying. Stick around till the end, because the last one could be a game changer. Let's dive in. 1. AI-powered freelancing. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude are taking over. But guess what? They need human input. You can make $20 to $50 per project offering AI-powered services like Checkmark AI Content, Writing and Editing, Checkmark AI-Generated Graphic Design, Checkmark AI Automation for businesses. Just sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and start selling your skills. 2. Social media management. Brands and influencers need social media managers. If you love TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, you can earn $500 to $2,000 per month by creating posts and captions, engaging with followers, managing brand collaborations. Start by offering services to local businesses or small influencers. Once you get good, scale up and charge more. 3. Selling digital products. Why trade your time for dollars when you can make passive income? In 2025, digital products are booming. You can sell e-books and guides, Canva templates and planners, online courses. Upload them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, and let the dollars roll in while you sleep. 4. Gaming and streaming. Love gaming? Then why not get paid for it? You can live stream on Twitch or YouTube and make money through donations and memberships, ad revenue and sponsorships, selling gaming merchandise. Even if you're not a pro gamer, just being entertaining can make you go viral. 5. Print-on-demand business. No inventory, no risk. Print-on-demand lets you sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs without handling stock. Just create designs using Canva or Photoshop, upload to Printify or Teespring, customers buy. The company ships for you, you get paid. Easiest way to start your own clothing brand with zero upfront cost. 6. YouTube automation, faceless YouTube. Not comfortable on camera? No problem. Start a faceless YouTube channel and make money through AI-generated videos, stock footage and voiceovers, monetization via ads and sponsorships. Some people are making $5,000 plus per month just by running cash cow channels. 7. Reselling and flipping items. Did you know you can buy and resell items for profit? Some of the best products to flip in 2025 are sneakers and streetwear, limited edition collectibles, tech gadgets and accessories. Find cheap deals on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or thrift stores and sell them on eBay or StockX for a profit. These are the 7 best side hustles for students in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Don't miss out on our next viral strategy. Turn on notifications now.